Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. Are you facing access is denied problem? Here's the solution. For this, open the settings app on your device, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on the app. Now click on the permissions option and allow all the permissions. Now go back to the previous page. Scroll down and click on the special app access option. Now click on all files access. Scroll down and click on the app. Now click on the toggle against allow access to manage all files. Now go back to the home page. Now open the Play Store app on your device. At the bottom tap on the search option and search for the app. Now update it if not. After this, go back to the home page. Open your app. Now your problem will be solved. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates.